Uploading current logs to the My20 Tower. To upload any day you want to the My20 Tower for immediate viewing, just go to the day you are wanting to upload. Let's say we just went back to Friday and made an annotation and we want to upload it to the My20 Tower for immediate viewing. From your log screen, also referred to as your home screen, we will touch Friday and it will open and we will see the logs, trips, sign and share tabs at the top. We will touch the Share tab at the top right of the screen. On iOS, you will see a Send button, and on Android, you will see 3 dots in the top right corner. Go ahead and touch whichever button you have on your specific device. You will see a drop-down list that says Tower Upload. Touch Tower Upload, and you will get an immediate response saying your PDF was uploaded successfully. Now, any changes you just made to your driver's daily logs can be immediately seen by anyone viewing the My20 Tower. Once you press Tower Upload, it can be viewed within seconds by your administrators or by the My20 support team. This is how you upload your logs to the My20 Tower.